Hola amigos. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but I hope you're all doing well. I just threw my daughter her first birthday party, and I thought it came out really cute. We did it virtually because, as we all know, this is Corona time, and this pandemic really has changed so many things about how we do things on a day-to-day basis. And I do know that things are getting better, but I do think that virtual birthday parties are here to stay. I think that people have really found new ways to connect with everyone all over the world. And for me, I have family and my husband has family all over the world. So this was really nice because we could really get everyone together and celebrate this. So it was really, really awesome. And so it was a bakery theme. Originally, initially I went on Pinterest to try to get birthday theme inspirations, but I didn't see anything that I really liked. So I was thinking, okay, what does she like? Bread. She loves bread. So we did it a Noah's bakery theme. So here it is. I'll show you. The first thing we did was we created a logo. I went on Etsy and I just randomly typed in like cartoon artist or something like that. And I found somebody that did a cartoon of my daughter after I sent them a picture of her. So this was what they came up with. And so basically, since it was a bakery theme, I made her like a little chef or a little like a pastry chef. So I bought her this little apron on Amazon, and then I just printed out the logo and I hot glued it to the uniform. I thought it came out really cute. I will share some pictures in a bit. So this was her little uniform. And also, of course, you can't miss the hat. So I printed Noah's Bakery on there. I thought it came out really cute and she looked adorable. And then also for my husband and I, we made t-shirts with Noah's Bakery on there. And this is the back. I thought this was a really cute idea, and I encourage you guys to do something like this if you have family all over. So it says Noah's Bakery, made with love, established in 2020. And then we did the shop locations. And these are all the cities where Noah and I and my husband have close families. So you have California, Illinois, New York, Puerto Rico, Germany, and Nepal. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. And this is not a real website, but I just thought it'd be fun to make it more legit. So that's what we did. So my husband and I wore these shirts and she wore her little uniform, and it was really cute. So yeah, the first thing that I did was I made a logo on Etsy, and once I had that, then I went on to all the other things that I'm about to show you. So I hope you enjoy the video and hit subscribe if you like this. I think this setup might work best when you have a set of shelves like these to help you display all the fake items that you'll be selling, but also to hang the awning at the top. So I began to decorate everything, and I got these breads for 50% off from a local bakery. I live in Germany, so bakeries here are very common, and these are the breads that they didn't get to sell, so I got them for a really good price. So now I'm going to show you how I did the awning. So I bought this striped fabric online. It's actually an outdoor fabric, but I was looking for a striped fabric specifically because it makes it look more real, very cafe or bistro-like bakery. And then I took one of the mini chalkboards that I'm using to display the price of the items, and I liked the shape of it, so I used that as like my outline for the awning. It worked out really well, but you can actually make your own with a piece of cardboard or whatever you have at home. I outlined it with a black permanent marker, and then I ironed that front little flap to make it look more realistic. To secure the awning on the shelf, I just glued a piece of cardboard at the top of the shelf, and then I also put some cardboard on the fabric to make it stiff. And once that part is set, you can fix the front part of the awning to the shelf as well, again with a piece of cardboard or whatever else you find that could be better. This is why it's nice to work with shelves, because it just makes it easier. So this is how the awning ends up looking. Pretty nice, right? And I wanted to get a little bit more fancy, so I took some double-sided tape and some brick wallpaper, and I put it on the wall there. And then I went to Zara Home and H&M Home, and I bought a lot of little props, and then I returned them later, but don't tell anyone. And so once that is done, you can decorate it however way you want. You can place prices, you can have fun with it. I bought some flowers. This might be my favorite part of the whole thing, just making it look pretty and styling it whichever way I wanted. And I think that this setup actually doesn't need to be for a virtual birthday party only. This works really well for an in-person party as well. Here you can see a little bit more of the details. What's fun about this is that you really can do whatever you want with it. And I'm so proud of this cake, by the way. I'm not a baker by any means. I added some chamomile flowers and some fruits. I saw something similar on the internet. This is the final look. I think my daughter also really enjoyed it. And the virtual birthday party was a success. So maybe we will be doing more of those in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed my little project. I think you could do this with a restaurant, with a coffee shop, anything really. I mean, any little shop. You could do a farmer's market, a flower market. I mean, the possibilities are really endless. So I hope you have fun with it and good luck doing your virtual birthday party. Ciao.